adon le chuan KUKI Le CHIN ti hi an soi kop leila kumza le somni pariat liam ta khan Chin Hills Regulation 1896 chuan heti hian alo rikota Chins include Lusais, Kukis, Burmans domiciled in the Chin Hills and are habitually resident in the Chin Hills, the inn. Kumzale somni liamta Khan G.A. Grierson chuan heti hian alosia. The term KUKI is an Assamese or Bengali word applied to such hill tribes of Lusais, Rangkhols, Thados, etc., who were residing within India. On the other hand, Chin is a Burmese word which is used to denote all various hill tribes living in country between Burma and the provinces of Assam and Bengal. The word KUKI and Chin are thus synonymous and are both primarily used for many of the hill tribes in general. Therefore, the word KUKI Chin was coined and employed by early researchers. The in Tahian a reference kada zela G.A. Grierson, The Linguistic Society of India, Survey of India, 1904, Volume 3, Part 3, page 123, Calcutta Printing Press, 126. Ani kan kamitiam 10 inon enzuidon niyan. Kum somsari paruk liam toa khan Chin Hills Act 1948 chuan heti hian aloda vea. Chins referred to the indigenous ethnic groups inhabiting the Chin Hills region in western Burma. These groups include Chin, KUKI, Lai, Mara, Matu, Mizo, Zomi. The Act defined Chins as the various ethnic tribes residing in the Chin Hills district who share cultural, linguistic, and historical ties. Kumsungale pangaliam ta Khan, Chin Affairs Minister to Pu Lalduhoma aniya, Cabinet Minister ani, Ambassador to France, Holland, Spain, Egypt le Nepal te anibok. Sangka jakwasam sari panga Ambassador to Nepal ani lain, Dictator General ni Win adulo wangin USA political asylum alani. Pu Lalduhoma chuan heti hian alozia ka. Chin hi call in official an man aniya. Nima sila an mani chuan he ming hi an mang ngai lo. Chin ti hi Chin ho thumala a omlo reng reng ani ti in. Reference Chin Dictionary and Grammar by M. Jordan, Paris, 1969. Kum somthum pasari liamta Khan B.S. Carey chuan ti hian alosiak. These Chin tribes, called Mizoram in India, led an uninhabited existence till the end of 19th century, when the British administrators undertook surveys and expeditions and demarcated boundaries 1935 for their administrative purposes, dividing the same people into Lusais within bracket Mizos and Chins in India and Burma, respectively. The in reference B.S. Carey and H. Intact, The Chin Hills, Volume 1, Inner Flap, 2nd Para, 1987. So this one, Hang Lusai, KUKI, Chin, Titahi, Kan Pian Pui Nam Ming, generic name, Aniloni. Namdangin min ko na may aniti, kan chiang to me. Atira heng mingi kay mani poeng kan pungay lova. Aloray nuwa yan lungoy takin kan puta mainiin alang. Trang taran lo piang zela KUKI nan lo piang at Chini nan lo piang a. Kan nam anitak take mo kan tia lungoy takin kan pomtani. Atira chuan kan niti po kan infriad lo. Kan nam ming niktak chu anilo di ka ron finfia katumani. Tuna zo ti vetung. kum sang khat za som ruk pani zet liam ta edi zariat som ruk pani akhan Indo-Burman chanchin ziak tu Chinese historian fan cho chuan kan pipu te chanchin a ziana zo ti hi alo mang dai to kum sang khat le za le som ruk le pani liam ta khan Chinese historian masa te chuan zo ti in min lo record ani chu a reference to Chin Hills Linguistic Tour 1955 University Project by G.S. Lewis and Journal of Burma Research Society 47 June 1959 page 1 kumzani somlile pakhat liamta sang khajasari somriat pathuma khan Catholic Father Vincent Chuan ale kabua zo ti in aloda vebok reference V. Sanger Manoi, a description of the Burmese Empire, edited by Jardine, Rangoon, page 43. Kumzale Somthum Pathum Liam Tok Khan, Northern Chin Hills political officer, Rundal Chuan, Tihian Alo Ziakani. Chin Ming Hi Alo Intran na Kashelo, Kol Trong Ani Karing, Chin Ho Poin Om Zian Trebiglo, Zo Anintimaya, Pakat Ayatama Chuan, Zote anintile mai alo tibok ani. Reference F.M. Rundal, Manual of the Sin Dialect in the Northern Chin Hills, Rangoon, 1891. Kumza somthum liamta sang kazariat somkwa palia Zorama missionary lo chuak masaber Reverend J.S. Lorraine pubuanga kanti maika. Chuchuan dictionary siama. Zo ti hi lusay tele anvela namdang te mingani alo ti bokani. Reference J.H. Lorraine Dictionary of Lusay Language 1940 Calcutta Ascetic Society Aizol TRI 1982 page 560. Kumza somnele pakwa liamta sa kazriya somkwa panga khan Chin Hills Optuma Sabir B.S. Carey Chuan Chin Ho Zong Zong Hua Pa Anin Ko Natsu Zo Ani Alo Tibok. Reference B.S. Carey and H.N. Tact, A History of the People, Our Dealings with Them, Their Customs and Manners, and the Gazetteer of the Country, TRI Aizol 1976, page 23. Kumza Somni Liamta Sang Kazakua Pali Khan, India Ram Chongte Zirchian Tumabay Masatu, Grierson Chuan, Lusay Ho Le Marlama Chin Ho Tam Takteang Bokin Zahao Ho Poin Zo Aninti Atibok Ehi Linguistic Survey of India Volume 3 Part 3 page 109. How many?